As we are starting off the brand new year 2026, ngiyacela ungigadele ungiqaphelele lezi zinto kunohlobo lwabantu abathile okumele ul-avoid at all cost in 2026 if you want to succeed. Kunohlobo lwabantu ngamele ulenze iphutha lokubasondeza eduzane ma uzimisele ngokuthi ube umuntu ongcono kunyaka ka2026. Number 1, abantu okumele ubaqaphele at all cost ukuthi abasondeze eduze kwakho, abantu ababizwa ngama constant complainers, abantu abahlale becomplaina ngayo yonke into, bacomplaina ngogovernment, bacomplaina ngeweather, bacomplaina ngomakhelwane. They are constantly complaining about everything. If you want to succeed, make sure ukuthi abantu abacomplaina njalo uyabaqhelisa eduze kwakho, ngoba the constant complainers, they don't build anything. They are only good at complaining about everything, but they don't bring any solutions. Ngakho mawubasondeza eduze kwakho bazokwenza nawe ugcina ungabi nawo ama solutions empilo, kodwa uhlezi ucomplaina ngazo zonke izinto ezenzekayo. Ngakho make sure ukuthi you don't associate yourself with constant complainers. Number 2, abantu ongamele ubasondeze eduze kwakho, abantu aba-comfortable ngokuba sendaweni e-average, abantu nje bona abangasiboni isidingo sokuba sendaweni average, bafuna izinto ezi-average, abafuna ukuthi go a step forward, bafuna nje izinto ezijwayelekile, ba-comfortable nje ngokuba sendaweni abakuyona, abanayo i-appetite, abanayo i-zeal to get something more, to get something better. Ba-right ngalokho abanakho manje. Make sure ukuthi awuyisondezi eduze kwabantu abanjalo, ngoba abantu abanjalo bakwenza ube comfortable even in your pain, bakwenza ube comfortable even lakho nongamele ube comfortable khona. But udinga abantu who will inspire you, udinga abantu who will encourage you, udinga abantu abazokwenza ukhathalele to go a step further. Number 3, if you want to succeed, make sure ukuthi you don't associate yourself with abantu abanje, abantu who are vision killers, abantu laba othi njalo mawuthi nginephupho lokwenza 1 2 and 3 bethu wena uyitshela ukuthi ubani ongenza leyo nto. Labo bantu babizwa ngama vision killers. They are always killing visions, they are always killing dreams, they are always discouraging abantu abanama visions nama goals empilweni. Mawubatshela ukuthi yazi kulonyaka I want to register for my master's degree, avelathi ubani wena ucathi ungenza i-master's degree, ubani wena. They are killing the visions. Uthi yabatshela ukuthi yazi I have an idea to start a business lapha yana ngasekhaya, bethu ucathi abantu betshela ukuthi abantu ukuthi bengathenga ibhizinisini lakho. They are always killing visions. Make sure ukuthi you stay away from such people, ngoba every dream ozoba nalo bazolidestroya, bazolibulala. Number 4, make sure that you stay away kubantu abangenakho ukukholwa, abantu abangabazayo. They doubt everything. Mawubatshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngakwenza ukuthi nokuthi athi hayi ngathi usuyagagamela manje, uNkulunkulu ngeke yenze leyo nto. Try by all means that you stay away from people who do not have faith, abangakholelwa emandleni kaNkulunkulu, abangakholelwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu engenza izinto ezinkulu. Abantu abanjalo bagcina sebekwenza nawe ungabi nakho ukukholwa, ube nokungabaza, ugcina usungabaza amandla kaNkulunkulu, ungabaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu engazenza izinto ezinkulu. So make sure that you stay away from such people. And lastly, make sure that you stay away from prayerless people. Hlala kude nabantu abangathandazi, nabantu abangawufuni umthandazo, ngoba if you don't pray, if you don't have abangani abakhuthaza ukuthi uthandaze, izinto zakho zizoba stagnant, izinto zakho zizoma, izinto zakho zizoba nama delay, ngoba you are associating yourself with prayerless people, abantu abangawuveliwishi umthandazo nesikhathi somthandazo. If you stay away from such, your life will turn around. Uzobona ukuthi kunezinto ozoyiqhelisa eduze kwakho ozoyibona sezingenzeki. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.